The entertainment industry is often associated with wealth, fame, and luxurious lifestyles. For many South African celebrities, fame has come with immense financial rewards, including expensive homes, flashy cars, and extravagant vacations. However, the reality for some of these celebrities is far from glamorous. In fact, some have struggled with financial instability, debt, and poverty, despite their past successes. In this video, we delve into the lives of South African celebrities in 2025 who are facing financial ruin and the challenges they've had to endure. Somizi Mlongo. Somizi Mlongo, one of South Africa's most famous media personalities, has experienced extreme highs and lows in his financial journey. Known for his work on Idol South Africa, his extravagant lifestyle, and his role as a judge on multiple reality shows, Somizi became a household name. His lavish spending on luxury cars, clothing, and homes quickly made him a symbol of success. However, things began to unravel for Somizi in recent years. Despite his fame, he faced a series of unfortunate financial decisions, including significant divorce settlements and expensive legal battles. In 2025, sources report that Somizi has struggled with mounting debt and has been forced to scale back his lifestyle. His once extensive real estate portfolio, filled with multi-million rand mansions, has been significantly downsized, and his luxurious cars have been sold off. Though he continues to work and maintain a public profile, Somizi's financial woes serve as a cautionary tale of the dangers of living beyond one's means. Sadwa Wabantu. Sadwa Wabantu, the controversial dancer and reality TV star, has had a tumultuous financial journey since her rise to fame. Known for her unapologetic persona, her income initially soared with her appearance on reality TV shows and her dance gigs. Sadwa's lavish spending, however, began to catch up with her. By 2025, Wabantu's finances had taken a significant hit. Despite her fame, she was facing serious financial struggles, including unpaid bills and overdue loans. In recent years, she has been seen scaling back her lavish public appearances, which once featured designer clothing and expensive jewelry. Sadwa's financial troubles have been attributed to a combination of bad investments, a lack of financial planning, and excessive spending. Her struggle highlights how volatile a celebrity's financial situation can be, particularly when they do not have sustainable sources of income outside of their entertainment career. Kanye Mbau. Kanye Mbau has long been one of South Africa's most iconic celebrities, known for her beauty, charisma, and extravagant lifestyle. From her time on Muvhango to her high-profile social media presence, Kanye quickly became a symbol of wealth. She flaunted her lavish lifestyle, including expensive cars, private jets, and luxury vacations. However, as of 2025, Kanye Mbau's financial situation has taken a sharp downturn. Despite once being a multimillionaire, Kanye is now rumored to be in significant debt. A series of poor business decisions, including failed investments in fashion and beauty ventures, led to her financial troubles. She was also reportedly hit hard by the economic slowdown, which affected her income from appearances and endorsements. Kanye has since been vocal about her financial struggles, and she has been working on rebuilding her wealth through new business ventures and social media promotions. DJ Zinmal. DJ Zinmal is one of South Africa's most successful and respected artists, known for her incredible career in music, fashion, and entrepreneurship. As of 2025, she has built an impressive empire, from her successful brand of accessories to her record-breaking performances as a DJ. Her lifestyle, which includes luxury cars, a gorgeous home, and an abundance of designer clothes, was once the epitome of wealth. However, despite her success, DJ Zinmal has faced some financial setbacks. Reports suggest that she has been battling significant debts due to poor business investments and some failed partnerships. While she continues to work and earn through her music career and business ventures, her financial stability has been compromised by the pressures of maintaining a high-profile lifestyle. She remains an inspiring figure for many, but her financial struggles are a reminder of how unpredictable the entertainment industry can be. Tumi Morake. Tumi Morake, a beloved comedian and TV personality, gained fame for her sharp wit and unforgettable stand-up comedy performances. She also made significant strides as a producer and presenter, enjoying the fruits of her hard work. However, by 2025, Tumi's financial situation had taken a turn for the worse. Despite being one of the most respected voices in South African comedy, Tumi found herself in debt due to failed business ventures and unsuccessful investments. In recent years, Tumi has faced challenges in securing consistent work, with the entertainment industry shifting and her previous shows being canceled or not renewed. Like many celebrities, her reliance on a single source of income and the pressure to maintain a luxurious lifestyle left her vulnerable to financial troubles. Although she continues to perform and maintain a public presence, her financial stability has been uncertain, and she has been forced to make significant lifestyle adjustments. Bonang Matheba. Bonang Matheba is another South African celebrity who, despite enjoying a career full of accolades, fame, and fortune, found herself grappling with financial instability in 2025. Known for her success as a TV presenter, radio personality, and entrepreneur, Bonang has long been a symbol of luxury. Her brand endorsements and business ventures, including her champagne line, contributed to her wealth. However, by 2025, Bonang had become embroiled in a series of legal battles and business setbacks. Allegedly, her company faced challenges with liquidity, which put her in significant debt. The celebrity lifestyle, with its expensive demands, coupled with the economic downturn, led to Bonang's financial struggles. Despite this, she has been working hard to rebuild her brand and explore new revenue streams, including her return to media appearances and public engagements. Mshoza, Nomasanto Maswangani. Mshoza, the late Kwaito singer, was once one of South Africa's most loved stars. However, her financial troubles were well documented in her final years. Despite being incredibly successful in the early years of her career, Mshoza's financial mismanagement, poor investments, and heavy spending led to her eventual bankruptcy. Reports revealed that the singer was often struggling with unpaid debts, and her lavish lifestyle of expensive cars and clothes did not match her income. Mshoza's downfall was a combination of bad business deals, the lack of financial education, and an industry that changed drastically around her. She often spoke about her regrets regarding her finances before passing away in 2020, and her story serves as a cautionary tale for many aspiring celebrities about the importance of financial planning. Jub Jub, Molemo Marohani. Jub Jub, a controversial South African rapper and TV personality, has had a roller coaster ride in both his career and financial life. Once a household name in the music and television industries, Jub Jub's career came to an abrupt halt in 2012, following his conviction for the reckless driving charges that caused a tragic accident. By 2025, Jub Jub's financial recovery has been slow, as he still faces legal challenges and public scrutiny. While he has made a return to the entertainment scene through his show Liwajola 9 Nights, his financial troubles continue to haunt him. Despite earning a steady income, reports suggest that Jub Jub is still battling debt from his previous legal battles and extravagant spending in his prime. His story highlights how a single mistake can significantly alter the course of a celebrity's financial future. Sibusiso Leob. Sibusiso Leob, famously known as DJ Sbu, was once the face of South African entertainment, known for his DJ skills, radio presence, and the highly successful recording label, Mofaya. DJ Sbu enjoyed a lifestyle that many envied, with his flashy cars, mansions, and multiple business ventures. However, by 2025, he had fallen on hard times. DJ Sbu's business empire collapsed following a series of failed investments, which included the poorly received Mofaya energy drink and other ventures. His celebrity status did little to cushion the financial fallout, and he is now living with the consequences of poor financial management. He continues to be active in the entertainment industry, but his financial troubles are far from over. The stories of these South African celebrities reveal the often hidden struggles behind the glamorous public lives we see. Despite their fame and fortune, many have been trapped in cycles of financial instability due to poor planning, bad investments, and personal mistakes. While their stories are cautionary tales, they also serve as a reminder that financial success requires more than just celebrity. It requires careful management, a strong support system, and long-term planning. If you found this video insightful, be sure to like and subscribe to Luxionaire Lifestyle for more content on the untold stories behind the world's wealthiest and most famous personalities.